guys, today I will be showing you guys how I trim my transitioning hair. I haven't trimmed it since I did the Canvas Beauty Growth Challenge. So it's been over a month. And I just washed my hair yesterday. And I did not blow dry it. I did sort of like a banding method for the first time. And then I took the bands out and then put it in little band 2 knots just to hold the stretch. So that's why it's a little bit curly and not like straight like I'm used to doing when I trim. Trying to do this whole no heat thing. Okay, so I've been using the Blueberry Bliss. This is my first time actually using that for my leave-in, so I did that. I'm going to be using these shears that I got from Sally's, and very first rule is never, ever, ever use regular scissors. This is not good for your hair. So I'm going to be using my shears that I got from Sally's a couple years ago. So first I use my fingers to detangle and section my hair, and I'll pin the other part to the side. And then I'm going in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. And then I'll go in with my wide tooth comb to finish detangling. And then I'll use a smaller tooth comb to make sure the tangles are really out of my hair. I've seen some people use a fine tooth comb, but I don't think my hair is straight enough for that. The way that I stretched it out is not straight enough for a fine tooth comb. Oh, I want to give a disclaimer. This is the way I trim my hair, my transitioning hair. This might not work for you. This might not work for you. This is the way I do it. So I wanted to say that first because in one of my other videos, someone left me a comment and the product didn't work out for their hair, long story short. And they said, I purchased your products and blah, blah, blah. And I had to say, first off, I'm sorry that this happened to you, but these are not my products. I'm not affiliated with this brand. And if I was affiliated or if I was sponsored by a brand, I would tell you that in the beginning of the video. So I just wanted to make that clear because I don't know. These are all my opinions. This is what I do. So, you know, you can't always follow, especially with new products. You're supposed to try them out on a section of your hair. And most of them say that on the bottle. This particular product did not. And it just didn't work out for them. So, like I said before, these are all my opinions that I'm providing on my channel. And even if I was sponsored, I would still be giving my honest opinion. I got an email the other day to review a wig. And I was so upset because I wanted to review it. I want a wig. I've been saying this for a while now. But they wanted me to review it. And they said, please give a 5-star review. And something else that they were basically telling me how to do it. And I'm like, no, if it's not 5 stars, why would I give it a 5-star review, you know? So I told them I couldn't work with them. Unfortunately, I wanted the wig, but these are all my opinions, basically, is what I'm trying to get to. I'm not gonna lie and say, oh, I love this wig, just so you can buy it, and then you hate it too, and deep down, I hated it. I'm not doing that, because that just makes people not want to trust you when you do that. And I don't know how all the YouTubers you hear stories about how they denied some brands because their values didn't align with theirs. That's the same for me. If they don't agree with what I agree with, or if they're telling me that I need to do something, I need to give a good review when the product isn't good for me, doesn't work for my hair, I'm gonna say no. So, sorry, that's my little rant. But yeah, this is how I trim my transitioning hair. And I'm just gonna add it to the clip. Forget, this is the way that I trim my transitioning hair. So just keep that in mind. This is how I do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and the notification button to be notified whenever I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.